Have you ever wondered why you can love God but still feel broken in places you can't explain? Trust me, I've been there. Listen to this. You know, the deepest wounds aren't the ones people can see. They're the ones carried in the soul. I'm talking about the rejection you've never quite healed from, or the betrayal you still replay, or the fear that keeps controlling your decisions, and the shame, woman of God, that makes you question your worth. And if we don't bring those places to God, we can spend the rest of our lives living and feeling broken inside. You know, Psalm 147:3, I believe, says, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. You know, healing begins when we stop hiding the pain and invite God into the places that hurt, because what is broken in your soul is not beyond His reach, right? So if you're ready for God to heal you on the inside, go ahead and press like and subscribe to my channel and page.